If you're looking for the perfect 1-liter boiler for making coffee, tea, and camp meals, as well as sanitizing water for safe drinking and emergencies, then X1 cooking system is the one for you. The Fire Maple Fix Star X1 is a tried and true favorite among backpackers looking for a compact, efficient, and affordable camping stove. The compact cooking system with a built-in heat exchanger easily distributes heat to the lock-on pot, allowing you to have a quick meal after a hike, ride, or paddle, boiling water in 200 seconds. The Fix Star X1 personal cooking system is the finest camping burner for swiftly boiling water, which is necessary for creating instant coffee, soup, or meals made for 2-3 explorers.